Okay, so we know it's happened. I'm not gonna admit if it's happened to us or not, but you end up taking your tire off with your impact. You get your old tire off, you put your new tire on, you start putting your beadlock bolts in. You'll wanna put them, like start here, put one in here, just kind of do a star pattern and suck the ring down even. And then you grab the closest impact, which was the one that you just took the tire off. And you go a little too much on it. So now that bolt is broke off inside there. That could happen while you're riding. A rock could hit it. If you get in a rock in a hard place and slide the ring. These bolt heads are a little bit more protected, but it will happen. So now that bolt is stuck in there, how do you get it out? They never break off flush, so you can't, it's kind of hard to drill. Okay, so either you broke the bolt off or you pulled the threads out, and so we're going to show you how to fix both of those. Whenever you break a bolt off, they never break flat, they're always at an angle, so if you're trying to drill those, the drill bit's going to wander. You're probably going to do more damage to the rim than actually breaking the bolt. So one of the things that we found is you get an uncoated nut, so it doesn't have a zinc coating on it. Please don't try to weld zinc coating. So you can take that nut and place it over the top like that. It works better if the bolt broke off either really close to the surface of the rim, or there's just a little bit sticking up. If just like the end of the bolt broke way down in the hole, you're gonna have to drill that one out. So I'll show you what to do now. Okay, so you have your bolt broke off, you have your uncoated nut. You'll put that guy on, and then just grab your MIG welder. Just line it up right over the top, and have your drill ready to pull this out. So I'll just show you real quick. And then you can get it out that way. You want to hurry and do it before the aluminum has time to heat up around the nut and the bolt that's left in there. The aluminum's going to want to expand and grab the bolt. So you weld it and then hurry and get it out. And that hole should be savable, so that's good. Okay, so the second most popular thing that happens is you end up stripping the threads out. So you tighten the bolt too much, it pulls the threads out, casing and number. And so you can set it in there, line it up with this. So we're gonna say drill this bolt out, and we'll put that centering little piece in there. Then you'll just put a couple of bolts in, and that will keep that centered over the top of that bolt. So then you can take a drill bit and drill into it. If you have access to left-hand drill bits, these work really well. So it's normal drill bit, just the other way. So you'll try to be backing it out. So as it catches that bolt, it's going to want to work that bolt out. So a lot of times you'll drill it and it will come out. If it's really stuck, you'll drill through that. Don't go too far where you poke through the inside of the rim, because then air will come out, even when you get everything fixed. You can use like an easy out from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Amazon. And then once you have that hole through the little piece of the bolt left, you'll use an easy out and get that out. Everyone's used like helicoils, thread repair kits like that. We like to use Time-Serts. They're steel sleeves that are threaded on the outside and the inside. So you'll drill that hole out, tap it for just a bigger thread, and then this insert will go in, and then that insert stays in there, and you can put your bolt in and out. These are really strong. They work really well in aluminum. So we've had great luck with these.